Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to see hidden following lists on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So viewing someone's hidden following list on TikTok is quite challenging as the platform's privacy settings don't allow it. TikTok allows users to hide their following list, making them inaccessible to others unless specific conditions are met. So there are some few here and there's you can make to see the hidden following list, like sending a follow request to that particular user. Once the request is approved, you may gain the access following list option. Like now you will be not restricted to not see their following list, so you can easily access to it or use an alternate account. You can also make an alternate account and follow that particular user, which will allow you to check their following list. Along with this, some third-party apps also claim to reveal hidden following lists. However, using these can compromise your privacy and violate TikTok's terms of service. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.